In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to pages on Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along in your own store and customize any page with products you want to highlight. First, log into your Shopify admin account. This is your main dashboard where you manage everything for your online store. Once you're on the admin homepage, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Online Store and click on it. A submenu will appear underneath. From there, click on Themes. This is where you control how your store looks and feels. On the Themes page, locate your current theme, the one that's live on your store. Next to it, you'll see a button or link to edit the theme. Click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. This editor lets you preview changes in real time before publishing them, which is really helpful when you're designing pages with products. At the top of the theme editor, there's a drop-down menu that usually defaults to your home page. Click this drop-down and change the template type to Pages. Then select the specific page where you want to add a product. This could be an About page, a landing page, or any custom page you've created. Once that page loads in the preview, move your attention back to the left-hand panel. This is where all the sections for the page are listed. Scroll to where you'd like your product to appear and click Add Section. A list of available section types will pop up. From this list, you can choose Featured Collection, Featured Product, or Collection List, depending on how you want to showcase your items. In this tutorial, we'll use Featured Product, which highlights a single product with its details. Click Featured Product, and it will be added to your page layout. Now, click on the new Featured Product section you just added to open its settings. In the left panel, you'll see options to choose which product to feature. Select the product you want from your catalog, then adjust the color scheme to match your brand or the rest of the page. You can also customize the media settings like width and whether it should be constrained to the screen height, along with image or video fit, position, and zoom. There are options to hide other variants after one is selected, and to loop product videos if you have them. You can fine-tune the padding at the top and bottom of the section, tweak theme settings, and even add custom CSS if you're comfortable with code. When you're happy with how everything looks in the preview, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This publishes your changes so the product now appears on that page for your customers to see. And that's how you add products to pages on Shopify.